looking at these two battery-powered top-handled Makita chainsaws, the XCU06 and the XCU08. The XCU06 runs on a single battery. It's a single 18-volt battery. It weighs 7 pounds with everything included, oil, bar, chain, everything. I find it to be lightweight and easy to climb with when I'm pruning. Barely notice it on my saddle. I swapped out to a 1/4-inch pitch bar and chain setup on both chainsaws, which also required swapping out to a 1/4-inch sprocket. This one I was able to use a Still Pico bar and chain. This is the 10-inch bar. And I find it really increases the cutting capacity. They can just slice through like butter with the 1/4-inch pitch setup. And it also, I can just make finer pruning cuts. It's so nimble. You can really make nice, clean pruning cuts with it. So if I'm capable of getting everything accomplished by taking this one up, I will, because it's so lightweight and easy to work with. But it is limited in its power to some extent. And I did find when I first started using it with regular bar oil that it would get gummed up with junk in here. And so I think the answer, I'm running canola oil, which is thinner, and I think that helped, but just cleaning it out before I go up the tree with it. And I also lubricate the bar groove and around the sprocket a little bit. And since I've been doing that, I haven't had a problem with it getting jammed up. But yeah, it's been a fun little saw to prune with. The XCU08 is a 2-battery system, 2 18-volt, so 36-volt total. It weighs 10.5 pounds with everything included, so it is 3.5 pounds heavier than the little one. And I put the 1/4-inch pitch. Panther considers it the mini Echo bar and chain, which fit nicely on this one. And also I had to swap out to a 1/4-inch pitch sprocket to run this bar setup. This is a 14-inch bar, and yeah, this one has a lot of power. It's just bulkier, not as fun to climb with because it is heavier, but you can see where they had to increase the molding width to accommodate for the 2-battery system compared to this one. So it is bulkier, heavier, but a lot more power. And they both have a boost mode where if you hold the button down to turn them on, this one has two lights that'll indicate that it's in boost mode, which increases the cutting power. So yeah, I think in general they've been real nice. I've been impressed with them. I'll do a demonstration, see how they both work. So this is a piece of sugar maple, starting off with a little 18-volt. This is hickory. And this is a piece of sugar maple that, making a cut like this with the little saw, it's getting a little bit beyond its capacity. We'll give it a try. So it can make the bigger cuts. It's just, you got to really feather it so it doesn't stop the chain. a piece of bitternut hickory, so pretty hard wood. A 10-inch chain, that's about maxed out. I'll grab the bigger saw. This is the 36 volt. This is a piece of hickory. This is the 14-inch bar with the 36 volt saw, so it's almost the size of the bar. This is a 5-inch piece of river birch. I'll start off with the little 18 volt. I'll try the torque mode on it. Grab the bigger one, the 36 volt. I'll try the torque mode on this.